right, so these were not sent to me. I ordered these myself, but these are my favorite meal replacement bars. So these are ZonePerfect, and this is exactly how they shipped them to me inside of this box. They literally put my sticker on here, and inside of here we have, that's it for the box, 4 packs of chocolate peanut butter bars. I have absolutely loved these. I looked for the longest time to find something that actually tastes good. These have the 14 grams of protein, and to be 100% honest, out of everything I've ever tried, these were the only ones that actually had a good flavor to them. I was able to eat this and not feel grossed out. You can see there is the calorie information. 1 bar is 220 calories. This is, of course, 20 bars, 5 in each box. And then of course inside of here is the bars. That's the size of them. They are truly delicious, and the only meal replacement protein type bar that I've found that was good. So that'll do it for this one. Thank you all for watching. Thank you, ZonePerfect. Even though you didn't send these to me, you make the best bars that I was able to find. And we'll see you in the next video. Deuces.